Chairman, may mga
Wala pa
magtatanong
ba ng konti na mic?
bakit daw po minadali, bakit kailangan magmadali? Pwede naman daw,
Kasi nagmamadali ang media. Kayo ang nagmamadali. Every time we do not proclaim on what we say, everybody says, oops, karoon ng palso, nagkakuan. Pero hindi naman namin minadali. Sinisigurado lang namin. So kinuha natin facing. Remember, I said 48 hours. We were not able to do it in 48 hours.
Chairman,
Even if we want to. Pero ngayon, tapos na. Nakikita na namin na itong first 6 hindi na maapektuhan. So we're proclaiming it. Walang nagmamadali.
Chairman, di ba sinasabi nyo rin dati na yung elections is also about perception? Paano kung makakreate ito ng negative perception?
Does not matter to us. We're doing everything that is all right, legitimate and everything. Perception of whom?
Public?
The public? Who is representing the public? I have never heard any negative perception of the public. If I hear one, we will probably respond to it. Pero is the media saying that the public has a negative perception?
Sir, ano yung nasa reso? Bakit kahit 72 COCs pa lang out of the 304 nag-proclaim na po ng half
Yung
of the
304 ho, ilan doon ang OAV? Yung 304, 200 doon ang OAV, which are very small votes. Hindi ba?
So sir, yung 72 sufficient na po yun to declare winners?
To declare 50%, which we did now.
So yung 72 na yun, 13.3 million actual voters. And enough na ba yun, sir?
Palagay ko, kaya nag-proclaim na kami.
Kasi sir, di ba 52 million yung registered voters? Tapos sinasabi nyo na ang voter turnout mga 70%. So that's 40 million, sir. Tapos
Kaya nga tignan nyo yung resolution. Hindi namin pinag-claim on the basis of tignan natin ang resolution. Kaya nga kami nagtagal. You can make your own conclusions, but the best way to do it is look at the resolution because it's all explained there. Kung ano nangyari. We are making again conclusions. Nabasa niyo na ba yung resolution? Nabasa niyo na? Hindi pa pala eh. Basahin niyo muna.